All right, it is 12:08 in the morning. You can't see it, but it's 12:08 in the morning. And I have 14% battery on this phone, so I'm gonna have to make this kind of quick. But this is the Runningsnail MD-329. See, the MD-319, which is no longer sold by Runningsnail, but now by third parties, is right up there. What is up with you? My Accurate 08510 is being really funny today. So, anyhow, we got one take to do this. So let's make that count. The MD-329. We did this previously with the Digispur, and it didn't go too well. So I think I should pay a little bit more attention this time, but I looked on Amazon, and we know that Runningsnail's made weather radios before. It doesn't look like it should be a firmware rip. Again, comes with a strobe light. Uh-oh. I do enjoy the fact that this is becoming the standard, by the way, to include strobe lights with the radio. This looks like an external antenna thingy that I should probably use for that thing. I should probably use it for that thing. But I'm not going to worry about that right now. Accessories can go over here. What I have is a radio, which is fairly small. User manual is here. I might end up reading it this time, but I think I trust the idea that this might be somewhat okay. I am a little bit more optimistic about this than I am about the Digispur. So I'm gonna pick up the adapter that just fell, and we're gonna plug it in. This is a really interesting design, actually. We're gonna ooh, okay, here we go. Might have some mild marking, but it has been out in some cold weather. It is 29 out there right now. It was a lot colder when this thing showed up, probably. So we are going to plug this in, and we are going to get to work. Oh, look at you. Version 4. Uh-oh. Oh, no. There we go. Ooh. 24-hour clock. Let's go into the menu. How do I do this? Ooh, scroll wheel. I am immature as all get out. But beep. Siren, huh? So we're going to have some fun with this.
High pressure will depart to the east tonight, and the cold front will move.
Oh, that sounds sweet.
Oh,
that's a long antenna.
Tuesday night into Thursday before high
oh, it actually scans. Okay, that's fresh. So let's start with time. We're just going to raw dog this, but this looks better. 24-hour, you know what? Sure. It is quite literally just after midnight. So you press that button, the arrow this time. I'm going to say 13 just to be safe. Is this also a select button? Enter button? Huh. Usually I would criticize you for having 2 select buttons, but okay then. I feel like this is just redundant. I feel like, this should go that way instead of this way. So, yeah, that's a little bit confusing, but we ball, I think. Oh, wait, that's right. It's February, isn't it? What is today? February the 10th? Oh, this is confusing. That's gonna trip me up a little bit. Alarm, I don't want to mess with that. Alert mode. Yeah, those are your options. Backlight, normal, continuous. Why does this almost remind me of the Zone Guard, though? don't know. I don't know. Wow, it actually provides like a numerical value. Whoa. Yeah, it just provides a decibel value instead of low, medium, high. That's pretty funny. All right. Siren test. What? Wait, hold on. That is the warning siren. Sounds funky. Okay, so this is the defeat menu that showed all. A little bit odd, but it's okay. Okay, let's try user. Just see how this goes. Again, lights show up on this. I like the scroll wheel. Hold on. I want to see something. You're not supposed to be able to disable that. How do I turn? Okay, so if I were to, I don't know how this works. I should really check the manual. Okay, there we go. It's tornado watch. Tornado warning. Okay, so that's really interesting. It's just like the Digispur in that the option is there, but you can't adjust it. So that's really funny. Really, really interesting about that. So I won't screw this right now. We're just gonna set it to all, because that's how it should be. Wait, that's not what I want. Help me, please. I'm literally just going through this. Blind going into this. County code, all. Let's code one in. Let's code one in, shall we? Okay, no predefined counties. Didn't really think so. 0, 4, 9. Great. I can just set it to. Oh. If I were to leave the menu, hypothetically, I could just go right back. Oh, that's hilarious. So multiple of these buttons actually exist for like going to the menu setting without having to go into the menu. So siren test. Isn't that cool? I haven't seen a siren test, like a direct siren test button on a radio. Other than like this thing. The 247B. Uh-oh, there goes my accurate.
0, 0.
Yeah, you get the idea. So there are not a lot of radios that had that, and a lot of the ones that did are those really old ones with 1050 that came out decades before I was born. So, in essence, this is the first radio in a very long time to have like a direct, hard siren test button.
Temperature rising into the mid.
Risk of freezing drizzle.
Whoa!
Maximum plus samedi soir et nuit.
A slight chance of freezing rain in the morning.
Risk
To 15 miles per hour.
in the afternoon.
Okay, that's sweet. Okay.
Tuesday night.
I don't know if that's just good reception or what. A little bit of column A, a little bit of column B, but this is actually pretty good. This is a really, really thick antenna. It's still getting it. Still getting XMJ. But yeah, so a bunch of buttons here that, you know, they basically take you right to the menu. So what's the use for a menu, you know? You just switch it. You just switch it. Doesn't take much. So that's really convenient, actually. That's really convenient for good, easy setup. But if you're more used to the menu option, of course, you have the menu option. So I like it. Also, this is pretty sweet. Nothing on the back. Everything you need on the side. NOAA on-off, external antenna, external alert. It all goes on the side right there. Easy reach. This is sweet. I like this. Little kickstand built in. Where is it? There it is. Oh, yeah. I like this. This has to be an instant winner with me, to be honest. Like, some of the design choices are a little silly, but for something that it felt only slightly AI generated, I mean, scroll wheel in the big 2026. Siren test button in the big 2026. Menu buttons. I have not seen this many buttons for different menu options on a radio ever. Nobody does that. So not only can you go into a menu interface, you can just do it all with the buttons. And that, I think, is incredibly sweet. So yeah, that's the fresh out of the box Runningsnail MD-329 discussion review-esque video. Don't use this as like an elaborate review. This is just like first reaction, because I know we had some troubles last time. But I got this for half off because I had a fresh coupon. I'm not sponsored. I'd go get it because this is sweet. AC out, Actinium Media.